In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your creative journey on Kapwing, a versatile online editing tool that's perfect for bringing your digital projects to life. Whether you're working with videos, images, or audio files, Kapwing provides a straightforward platform to help you produce polished content with ease. Let's dive in and see how you can get started in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to kapwing.com. Once you're there, you'll see a welcoming interface with a variety of options. To kick off your project, go ahead and click on the Create New button. This will be your gateway to a whole new world of creative possibilities, and it's the first step toward making your content ideas a reality. Now, with the project page open, look for the Upload Media button. Clicking on this will open a dialog box that allows you to select the media you want to use for your project. Whether it's a video, an image, or an audio file, you can choose what you need from your device. Take a moment to locate your preferred file, select it, and then let Kapwing handle the upload process. This might take a few moments depending on your file size, so patience is key here. Once your file is finished uploading, you should see a thumbnail preview of it appear on the interface. Don't skip this step, as it's crucial for ensuring that you have the correct file ready for editing. Next, you'll want to click on that thumbnail. This action allows Kapwing to bring your content onto the main canvas, setting the stage for editing magic. Seeing your media displayed on the canvas is a visual confirmation that everything's loaded correctly and that you're ready to move forward. After your file makes its grand entrance onto the canvas, you'll notice it should also appear in the timeline located at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is where most of your editing magic will happen. If for any reason your file doesn't automatically make its way into the timeline, don't worry. You can easily solve this by dragging the file from the left panel and dropping it directly into the timeline. This drag and drop functionality is particularly useful and can save you from any frustration, ensuring your media is in the right place for seamless editing. And there you have it. You're now ready to continue with your project, exploring Kapwing's variety of editing features to produce something extraordinary. Remember, the key to successful editing is exploration and practice. With Kapwing's user-friendly tools, you're well on your way to mastering the art of digital content creation. Happy editing!